What's up guys, it's Danny. Pardon this horrible angle. I just really want to get this video done with, and I need to move my McDonald's cup off to the side so I can have a clean space. So I've actually had this for a week and a half now. It's the Ducky Vermillo keyboard. I thought it was 60%, but I guess it's not. I guess it can't be. Anyway, this is a keyboard that's really, I don't want to say it's available in America because I don't think it is. I mean, it is if you go through mechanicalkeyboards.com, which is where I got this. Not sponsored, by the way. But I want to go ahead and do a video on this specific mashup because there's not a lot of videos about the Ducky slash Vermillo. Make sure I said that right. Vermillo? I think it's Vermillo. There's not a lot of videos on the Ducky slash Vermillo keyboard. The Sakura version is what this is. Yeah, this is from Shenzhen, China. You can order it off Mechanical Keyboards, obviously, because I have it here and I live in the US. But it took quite a while. It took like 2 or 3 weeks to ship, just because it's coming along from Shenzhen, China. So that being said, I do want to open this up. I'm very excited. I should have did it a week and a half ago when I first got it, but I've just been so busy with work and other stuff and other videos. I had to get the Dell XPS video out of the way. Really did. That being said, let's open this up already. Alright, so I've got it angled down. I might move it onto the desk because right now it's on a rolling table. But anyway, let's open it up. We have, looks like 2 of these little pull tab thingies on each side. Okay, and I'm just gonna lift out. It's a tight fit. I guess that's a good thing. Alright, so first thing in the box, I forgot how pink and white this thing is. First thing I see in the box is the keycap puller. This is actually a pretty nice one. It's probably better than what I have. So yeah, simple keycap puller. Let me just move this. So we got a simple keycap puller like that. Next, USB-C cable, very long to USB. So that's very nice. Dust cover, take it off, not gonna need it, just plastic. And then we got some sort of cellophane, so let me get that real quick. And yes, I agree, this would have been better for overhead video. I just kind of busy. I don't want to set all that up. You know, it takes time to set up things to get just right, and right now I'm kind of got other things going on, so I'm kind of busy, but I do want to get this video done. Also, in the box, you get the Ducky Vermillo little user manual, and that's it. So I'm gonna move the box off to the side. Sorry how loud that was. I'm sure it's pretty loud. Sorry for how loud that was, I should say. And here we go. I'll pull it right out. Wow. Now that's a keyboard. Look at this. Ooh. So Cherry MX Reds switches. It's like little to no click at all. Hear that? It's a very muted click. This is perfect for an office, you know, office environment. Nice. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is set this up. I'm gonna hook it into the Dell XPS and via USB-C to USB. We will go from there. Here we go. Okay, so I've got the the Ducky keyboard set up. It's plugged into the Dell XPS, and we're just waiting for it to come on. All right, let me enter my password in real quick. I need to turn on. What's this? I should probably look at the manual. Okay, it's setting up the keyboard. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I've read some of the manual and I've got the keyboard lit up, obviously. I'm gonna go through the modes. To do that though, I wanna turn off the big, huge freaking light. So I'm gonna do that. Also watching Bad C Tech, he's reviewing a Ducky keyboard. Anyway, so I have it set to default, which is just 100% full backlit mode. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand if I can. But yeah, we're just gonna go from here. So this is full backlit. So function W. So function and the W key does breathing. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod over here. Let me see if I can just angle the camera, make this a little easier for you to watch without getting sick, and me to be able to do this properly. So switch that like that. You gotta love the freaking you gotta love the man for the Pixie Mini. Great mount. All right, so we're back in. So here we go. I know it's kind of hard to see, but just bear with me. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so this is breathing mode. This is function W. Function E is wave mode, so function E. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I like that. I just love the way this keyboard feels, and we'll do a sound test here in a second. Let's see, reactive mode, function R. So if I type, you can see that it is reacting to that. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. Let's see, next we have spectrum mode. So function U, function U. It's just pink. I think all I have is pink. White? I could be wrong. That's kind of white now. Maybe it's just pink and white. So let's see. Next we have snake mode, function I. That's cool. And this is all built in to the keyboard. No software required whatsoever. It's just beautifully done. I am so impressed with the quality of Ducky right now. I've had friends tell me, Danny, try Ducky, try Ducky. Well, finally I did. It was $119, but finally I tried Ducky. So, let's see. Next we've got function O. That's raindrop mode, very cool. It's kind of random all over the place. And then next up we've got swirl mode, which is function P. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it goes around in a swirl pattern. Very nice, very nice. And let's see. Function left bracket. Oh, I've seen that before on one of the previous keyboards I reviewed for like 20 bucks. That's how much the keyboard was. Function right bracket. That's cool. That's like a, what would you say that is? Rotation is what it says. So that one spotlight, this is rotation. And let's see. And then there's a way to change brightness, which I've already done. Let's see if there's any other modes. That might be the only modes. Which, you know, nothing wrong with that at all. I think I like wave mode, function E. Yeah, I think that's gonna be standard for this keyboard for me. I love the animation, especially since you only get really one or two colors, pink and white. I mean, this is a specialty themed keyboard. All right, guys, we're gonna do a very quick keyboard test. So I'm just gonna start typing. So there you guys go. There's a quick overview of this keyboard. The Ducky Vermillo Sakura keyboard. I will link it below if you are interested from mechanical keyboards. That being said, there you go. Quick run through. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.